In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a space publicly on Perplexity AI. If you've been organizing research, saving answers, or collaborating in Perplexity, spaces are where all of that lives. Making a space public lets others view your curated findings without needing access to your account. We'll walk through the exact steps to share a space safely and clearly, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Perplexity and sign into your account. From the home screen, look for Spaces. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the left sidebar. On mobile, it may appear in the bottom bar or within the main menu. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it to reveal the Spaces option. Click or tap Spaces to see your list of collections. Next, open the space you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one and that everything inside is ready for others to view. Check that the title is clear and remove anything that might include private or sensitive information, because once you share the link, anyone with that link can see what's inside. Keeping things tidy and accurate will help your audience understand your work at a glance. With the space open, locate the Share button. It's usually near the top of the page, often at the upper right, and may look like a standard share icon or say Share. If you don't see it immediately, check for a three-dot menu near the space title. Share options are sometimes tucked in there. Click Share to open the sharing controls. In the sharing panel, find the View Access setting. Change this setting to anyone with the link. This makes the space viewable by anyone who has the URL without requiring them to sign in. It's essentially read-only access for viewers, which is perfect for distributing research or resources broadly. Take a second to confirm this is what you want, since it expands visibility to anyone who receives or forwards the link. Now click Copy Link. The link is on your clipboard and ready to paste. Share it wherever your audience is: email, chat, project docs, or social posts. For extra assurance, paste the link into a private or incognito window to confirm it loads correctly and that viewers only see what you intend. You can also include a brief note when sharing to explain what the space contains and why it's useful. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, go to Spaces, open the space, click Share, set View Access to anyone with the link, and copy the link to distribute. You'll keep your research organized in one place while giving others simple, direct access. Happy sharing!